Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through visual intelligence. So what visual intelligence is an application that basically uses your camera app to identify objects. It can either describe it for you, if you point it at something that is in a different language, it will translate, or it can look up that object online. So if you're familiar with Google Lens, it's kind of the same thing as Google Lens, but Apple's version. So a few things before we dive in on how to use this. The first thing is you're going to have an iPhone device that supports Apple Intelligence. It does not look like this is supported on the iPad. You do have to use your iPhone in order to do this. And if you have the iPhone 16 Pro, there is a button on the side that can enable that when you are not in the camera mode. So let me show you how to go about getting this on your phone if you do not have iPhone 16 Pro. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our control center down here. We're going to swipe down. And then from here, you're going to click the little plus sign. And then we're going to go ahead and click Add a Control. And you can either type it in, and then you'll see under Apple Intelligence, there's called Visual Intelligence. So let's go ahead and click on that. And we can make it bigger if you want, so you can actually remember what that app is. Once you're done, just click out of it, and there you go. So now let's go ahead and let me show you how this is used. So I have these chocolates that were, I think, brought from Germany, and I kind of want to see, hey, I like these chocolates. I want to consider getting these. But let's see what it first does for translation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm pointed here. I'm going to hit the little search. If I hit translate, continue, it's going to go ahead and translate for me what it is. And then what I can also do is hit search. And now it's actually uses Google to search this up, and I can actually go, okay, well, this is where it is. And you can kind of see, and you might, like, for example, so it's on Amazon, so I can literally click on here, take it from me right to Amazon, accept, and I can actually buy this on Amazon. So let's try another thing. So this is an Anker battery I have. I love this thing. We're going to kind of see whether or not this can find this Anker battery. So I'm going to kind of give it like a 3 kind of dimensional perspective. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to hit exit. I'm going to hit this again. I'm going to hit search. And as you can see, here it is, my Anker battery right here. So I can go on Amazon and look it up. You can also do this with plants and stuff, like if you're curious what kind of a type of cat someone's cat is, or plant or animal or anything. This is a really neat feature, and I'm really excited that they've added this to iOS phones that are iPhone 15 folks, because this is really great. It was one thing I kind of was bummed. I wish they would have talked about it in the keynote for iPhone 16 Pro, because I might have considered getting iPhone 16 Pro if I'd known that action button was also a visual camera, but I'm glad they added this feature for iPhone 15s. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a like. If you're interested in supporting this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much.